How to reset Google Chrome to its default settings. This is a great way to fix issues and start fresh. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why you might want to reset Chrome. If you're experiencing slow performance, unwanted ads, or other issues, resetting can help restore it to its original state without reinstalling the whole browser. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once it's open, click on the three vertical dots and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced. This will open up more options related to your browser settings. Now click on Reset and Cleanup. Click on it and you'll see the option to restore settings to their original defaults. When you click that option, a confirmation dialog will appear. It will inform you that this action will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tabs. It will also disable extensions and clear temporary data, but your bookmarks and saved passwords won't be deleted. If you're okay with that, click on Reset Settings. After you've resetted the settings or slash deleted the browsing data, simply close Chrome and reopen it. You should notice a fresh start with your settings back to default. And that's it, you've successfully reset Google Chrome to its default settings.